How to fix Discord bot not responding. In order to fix a Discord bot not responding, first thing first, what you want to do is you could simply ensure that the bot is actually online in the user list and not stuck or crashed. Next, you want to stop the process by restarting it. You could simply go ahead and refresh, or you could restart, and that should also be able to help. Now, other than that, you also want to ensure that the bot has a role with permission to read send message in a specific channel as well. You also want to make sure to check your codes, such as you want to review the logs for error and issue with a command handler as well. So this way you should be able to fix Discord bot not responding. So these are a couple things you could try. With that being said, we've completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And if nothing works out, you could directly contact help and let them know about it. They should be able to guide you step by step.